Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Because we have s, so I will put this one go to the left, u square go to the right. Next, we need to do first the derivative of this one, and we have the s equals to negative 2u du. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 2u. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, we put number 1 go in here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 2, we put number 2 go in here, and we have u equals to number 0. So number 1 we keep the same. Number 2 we change for number 0. S we change for 2 minus u square. The square root we change for u. The s we change for negative 2u du. So number 2 minus number 1, we have positive number 1. U and u we have u square. Negative number 2 I will put outside. So u square multiplied by number 1 and u square. So we have u square minus u to the power of 4. And now we have the formula in here. So the integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. So I will put number 2 go in here. So 2 plus 1 we have number 3. Number 4 I will put this one go in here, and we have 4 plus 1 we have number 5. And I will put the bounds from number 1 to number 0. And now we have the final answer. So we put number 0 go in here. Number 1 go in here. So we have the final 4 over 15. This is the end. Thank you for watching.